I get asked, can my felony conviction get expunged? So we look at statute 99-19-71 subsection 2. When we look at subsection A, it discusses that a person who has been convicted of a felony and who has paid all criminal fines and cost of court imposed in the sentence of conviction may petition the court in which the conviction was had for an order to expunge one conviction from all public records 5 years after the successful completion of all terms and conditions of the sentence for the conviction upon a hearing as determined in the discretion of the court. However, a person is not eligible to expunge a felony classified as the following: a crime of violence, arson, trafficking in controlled substance, a third, fourth, or subsequent offense DUI, felon in possession of a firearm, failure to register as a sex offender, voyeurism, witness intimidation, abuse, neglect, or exploitation of a vulnerable person, embezzlement. Now, if your conviction as a felon does not fall in one of those exceptions, then what we do is we get a copy of your sentencing order, and then we get a copy of your order that had discharged you from the MDOC. Then we make sure that you have been 5 years after the successful completion of all terms and conditions of your sentence. And then we file a motion to expunge. We also have to send that to the district attorney's office, and they have an opportunity to sign off on it, or they have an opportunity to request a hearing. The court also has an opportunity to request a hearing on the matter, and if a hearing is scheduled, then we go to the hearing, and you would, as a client, come with us as well. And then at that point, we would petition the court and explain how you've been rehabilitated. That could include a variety of things, such as letters of character reference, showing that you've been gainfully employed, individuals who would come testify as to your character and reputation in the community. And then the judge would make a determination on whether or not to expunge your record. If your record is expunged and the judge signs the order of expungement, then that expunction, it places you in contemplation of the law to the position that you occupied prior to such arrest, a conviction, etc. That means that particular the arrest, that particular conviction, all of that would be sealed. It would go away. And then you would be basically starting over. You only get one opportunity to do that, and you got to make sure that you do not fall in one of those exceptions that I listed. If you have any further questions, you can give us a call, and then I'll be glad to further explain to you.